Whew. I kind of wonder where we can find some clues for today. Let me try to open this.
A clue!
Wait, you see a clue? Where is it?
It's in your hand!
Wait, it's in my hand? Oh, right here. There's a clue on this. Let's open it. And it is a bomb pop. Huh, okay. Well, we could draw this in our handy dandy notebook. Right. So, we have a bomb pop. Let's draw this curving shape like this. And a curvy line down here for a stick. And some lines here. And we have a bomb pop. And we have our second clue. I think maybe I should try to eat this. What was that?
A clue!
Wait, it was a clue? Where is it?
Right there!
Oh, it's a clue. And, it's gone. So, I guess that sound must have been our clue. It sounded like it was screaming. Well, we could draw this in our handy dandy notebook. Right. Okay. This sound. Maybe we could draw some curvy lines like this to help us remember this sound. Hey, we have all three clues. You know what that means. We're ready to sit in our
Thinking chair!
thinking chair. Let's go. Oh, I better take this too.